I saved a lot during the Sephora sale. If you are interested in how, keep watching. Welcome to the Handbag Heaven Vanity Table Talks. So it's that time again. The Sephora sale started on November 1st, 2024 for Rouge and November 5th for VIB and Insiders. The sale runs through November 11th, 2024. I don't know about you, but I was on the Sephora site on November 1st at 11:59 p.m. Waiting to check out at midnight. Look, there are so many new fragrances released this fall, so I decided to add a few to my collection. Check out my Sephora video where I talk about 10 new fragrances in detail. Now, in this video, I will be talking about how much you can save. I'm sure you know that as a Rouge member, you can save 20% off, and VIB members save 15%. But did you know that you can save even more? One of the things I do to save even more during the Sephora sale is look for sets. Many brands offer gift sets, especially during the holidays. For this Sephora sale, there is only one fragrance set on my list, and it is the new Hermes Barenia. Look, an orange box is an orange box. Now, I could have purchased the 100 milliliters for $170, or the 60 milliliters for $135, or even the 15 milliliters for $105. But I got the set, which comes with the 60 milliliters and the mini, for only $142. So if I add the cost of the 60 milliliters, which is $135, plus the mini, which is roughly half the cost of the 15 milliliters, $52.50. The total would be $187.50. So the saving would be $36.50. Then the 20% would be $28.40 off the price, for a total savings of $64.90. When it comes to beauty, I had the Valentino Spike lipstick on my list. I purchased the Valentino Luxury Spike Matte Set. It includes the Spike Valentino lipstick in 123R Spike A Pose and a refill in 100R Standout in Nude. It also comes with this cute little pink pouch. The pouch is small, but it fits both the lipstick and refill. You also have room to fit more items. I will add this lipstick and my Valentino mirror. This pouch is the same size as the black one that was released in previous years. This little set only costs $60. However, the value is over $75. Since one lipstick is priced at $48 and a refill is $30, you actually save $18. And let's not forget that you get the pouch. In addition, I got 20% off, which is $12. This brings my total savings to $30. So another way to save is buying the fragrance sampler set with a redeemable voucher. If you are sure that you want to eventually purchase a larger bottle of a particular fragrance, and that fragrance is available in a sampler set, then you can purchase the set, getting all of the samples and the full-size bottle of the perfume. Some sets even come with a pouch. You can use the voucher to purchase a full-size bottle of the fragrance in the set that you prefer. Typically, the cost of the set is less than or equal to the full-size fragrance, but there are some cases where the full-size fragrance is less than the set. Also, just be aware that Sephora tends to sell out of the full-size bottles of fragrances that are in these sets I remember the year I got the set that included the Tom Ford ombre leather. When I tried to redeem the voucher to get the fragrance, it was sold out. It remained sold out for months. So just be aware of that. Another way I save is by purchasing the mini size fragrances. If you are unsure about spending a lot of money on a fragrance after only sampling it in the store, a mini is a great way to test it over a longer period of time. Most will last you about 4 to 6 months, depending on how often you wear it. Now, I know you can get one of those fragrance subscriptions. I've been there and done that. It didn't work for me. The company I tried couldn't handle the demand. I never got the fragrances I chose on time. The fragrance I was most interested in was always unavailable. For me, purchasing the minis just work out better. I love Fenty Eau de Parfum by Rihanna, so I got this mini travel set. I already have the full-size bottles and the solid perfume. This fragrance is very modern and sophisticated, but it is also bold, which describes my streetwear style. The Fenty Eau de Parfum was released in August 2021. The top notes includes tangerine blueberry, the middle notes includes magnolia, rose, geranium, and the base notes includes musk, patchouli, vanilla, Haitian vetiver. This fragrance is perfect for edgy, confident looks such as body-hugging silhouettes, leather jackets, or statement accessories. Think street style with high fashion elements, effortless yet striking. Its warm, seductive undertones makes it perfect for date nights, exclusive parties, or late night outings. It's ideal for making a statement at important events like red carpets, cocktail parties, or glamorous gatherings where you want a bold but sophisticated fragrance to stand out. It can also be worn for daytime events where you want to radiate understated luxury like brunches or shopping sprees. Fenty Eau de Parfum has an average rating of around 4.5 stars on fragrance and beauty platforms. Many reviewers praise its boldness and complexity, highlighting that it's not your typical celebrity fragrance. Its blend of fruity, floral, and woody notes creates a unique scent that stands out from the crowd. I personally appreciate that. I also got the Burberry mini set, which includes her Eau de Parfum and Goddess Eau Parfum. I'm giving the Burberry Goddess another try. I tested it before, but it didn't hit for me then. But I smelled it in a magazine recently and I liked it. So I decided to get the minis and try it out. Burberry Goddess was released in August 2023. Burberry Goddess is a floral gourmand fragrance. The top note is vanilla bean. The middle notes include lavender and cacao, and the base notes includes vanilla essence and tonka bean. Burberry Goddess pairs well with bohemian styles like flowy, layered outfits with soft, earthy colors and natural fabrics like linen or cotton, which will match the warm, grounded vanilla and cacao notes. And boho was all over the fall and spring runway. I plan to incorporate some boho looks into my fall fashion lineup. I have been having so much fun styling looks for this fall. Check out my fall fashion videos to see just how easy it is to put together a trendy look with pieces you already own. I also got this Mugler mini set. I don't have any Mugler fragrances at all. So I decided to get this mini trio. It was like $42. The set comes with Alien Hypersense, and Alien Goddess. Mugler Alien is bold, mysterious, and best for evenings and formal occasions, known for its long-lasting, strong presence. Mugler Alien Hyper Sans offers a fresher, more modern take on Alien, better suited for daytime wear and casual events. And Mugler Alien Goddess is bright, tropical, and perfect for summer with a warm and radiant energy ideal for outdoor and daytime gatherings. Each fragrance has its own distinct personality, yet all maintain the unique Mugler Alien DNA of boldness and allure. I also got the Fleur Deluxe Trio set, which includes Father Figure, Missing Person, Vanilla Skin. I'm interested in adding more clean scents to my collection for everyday wear. So I've been testing out Fleur. I really like it. My favorite right now is Missing Person. Father Figure is the latest release. If you are interested in testing the entire lineup, there is a Discover set. This set doesn't include the latest releases like Father Figure. I also got this Gucci set. I decided to get it to test out the new Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid Eau de Parfum. I give all the details on this fragrance in my Sephora's Biggest 2024 Holiday Savings event video, so check that out. This fragrance mini set is $35 minus the 20% off. I decided to get the mini now and test it out for the next 6 months. By then, it will be time for the spring Sephora sale, and if I like it, I will invest in the larger bottle. This fragrance fits the floral extreme trend this fall. Last, I got the Dolce & Gabbana set that includes Q Devotion and Dolce Blue Jasmine Eau de Parfum, as well as the light blue Eau de Toilette. I have tested the light blue in the past, and I decided not to purchase the larger bottle. I purchased this set to test out the Devotion and the Dolce Blue Jasmine. This set doesn't include Devotion Intense, which was recent release by the brand. The Eau de Parfum differs from the Intense in terms of concentration, depth, and longevity. I also got 2 full-size fragrances during the sale. I got the new Valentino Born in Roma the Gold. I talked about this fragrance in my previous video. This is one of the top 5 new fall fragrances I decided to purchase. I love it so much, I got the largest bottle. 4 of the Valentino Born in Roma scents. I think the only one I'm missing is the coral. I also purchased the new Yves Saint Laurent Libre Flowers and Flames fragrance. I also talked about this new fragrance in detail in my previous video. It's my 4th Libre. I have the OG Eau de Parfum, the Intent, and now the Flowers and Flames. So those are all of the full size and minis I got during the Sephora sale. I'm happy I was able to take advantage of the 20% off as a Rouge member. Look, you still have time if you are interested in taking advantage of the sale. The sale is through November 11th, 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know which fragrance you're most excited to try. Happy shopping. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you will never miss out on the latest beauty and fashion news. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.